Hello, I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to tell you about 3 shade-loving plants that I'm sure you'll want to grow. So let's clarify what I mean by shade. There are different depths of shade. All of today's plants can grow in dappled shade or part shade with some moisture retention in the soil. For example, none of these are plants for under a mature conifer tree. Our first plant is a little beauty from the buttercup family. It's the globe flower, and who wouldn't want the brightness of these sunny flowers beaming out from shadier spots in the garden? The plant has palmate lobed leaves and produces bowl-shaped flowers in either yellow, white or orange. Globe flowers can be grown in partial shade or full sun, but they do need moist soil. It's a very hardy plant, tolerating temperatures below -20 centigrade or -4 Fahrenheit. In terms of care, cut back hard after flowering and apply a balanced liquid fertilizer to encourage further blooms. My second plant is Siberian bugloss, and I recommend the variegated varieties. Variegation is a mutation in the production of chlorophyll, the chemical that turns plants green. The result is cream or yellow splodges, stripes or patterns. These lighter colours are much valued among gardeners because when a variegated plant is planted in a shady position, it really lifts an area that might otherwise be just a dense, uninteresting green. Siberian bugloss has heart-shaped leaves with a cream edge, and some varieties are overlaid with silver. It produces airy sprays of light blue flowers in spring. Grow it in full or part shade in any ordinary garden soil, including quite dry soil. Plants are hardy to -20 degrees centigrade or -4 Fahrenheit. Siberian bugloss makes a good low-maintenance alternative to hostas in shade gardens, as slugs and deer don't bother with it. The only thing to guard against is reversion. So if you notice any leaves that are pure green, rip them out at the base. If you leave them, your plant will in time lose its variegation. My final plant is false Solomon's seal. Different from real Solomon's seal, this plant has arching stems with fluffy cream white flowers, sometimes followed by reddish berries, and it smells like honey. I guarantee it'll bring a smile to your face when it flowers each spring. Grow in partial or deep shade in moist but well-drained soil. Like the other 2 plants, it's very hardy to -20 centigrade or -4 Fahrenheit. All 3 shade-loving plants I've mentioned here today are easy and trouble-free. I wonder which one you'll choose. Happy growing!